What is an estate plan? I'm elder law attorney Kelsey Simasko from Simasko Law, and I'm here today to tell you that an estate plan is just a collection of documents that says, look, I don't know what's going to happen to me in the future, but if anything happens to me, this is who I want to be in charge, and this is what I want them to be in charge of. It's usually comprised of several different documents. One document could be a revocable or an irrevocable trust that says, look, when I pass away, this is who I want my property to go to, and this is who should be in charge of making sure that all happens. We have the deeds. Deeds usually say, look, when I pass away, I want my house to go into my trust, or I want my house to go to my children or my spouse. We have a will. A will usually is the least important document of the estate plan, and it's because wills always have to go through probate court, and most people want to avoid probate court. We give you a will just in case something happens and we're trapped going through probate. I'd rather you have a document and not need it than need a document and not have it. And then the other documents in the estate plan are your powers of attorney. So those come in two flavors. We have the medical power of attorney that says, look, I'm making all of my own medical decisions, but if something happens and two doctors agree that it's just not safe for me to be making those decisions anymore, then I want my spouse to make my medical decisions. If my spouse isn't around, then my daughter, then my son. We also have the financial power of attorney that says if anything happens and I'm not able to make my own financial decisions, I want my spouse to make them, then my daughter, then my son. We also include something called the letters of last instruction. And those really just say, I'm probably going to pass away one day, and when that day happens, this is what I want my funeral to look like. And so that's the estate plan. If anyone has any questions, feel free to give me a call at my office. The number is 586-468-6793.